In this TruIVS tutorial, we will be going over the barcode tool. So to get started, let's click Add New, head over to our barcode tool, and as we can see under barcode type, we have many different options. We're going to use data matrix. Barcode standard will be ISO or DPM. We're going to use ISO. Barcode color will be black or white, and on the right hand side it explains. We're going to use black. Click OK. Now we have to adjust our region of interest. Once we have done that, we click Apply Changes. And then we can see our barcode was read. And if we go to our results pane, we could also see that our barcode was read and the string is there for us. Now we will read the other barcode. Click Add New, Barcode, Barcode Type, Data Matrix, Barcode Standard ISO, and the color black again. Click OK, and we will adjust our region of interest. Click Apply Changes. And there you can see that the other barcode was read as well. And now we have both barcodes reading.